Hello guys, welcome back to Classic Shack, and today we're back in the shack working on my 1978 two-door Escort called Project Hanky. And if you saw the last episode I did, I replaced this section of the sill. Today I'm going to address a dent that I have here where I've fitted the new arch. There's some rust on the inside of the well here, and where my inner wheel arch now joins somewhere like this, I'm just going to weld it from the back. So I'll do a couple of spot welds down here on the inside to attach this outer sill to the inner wheel arch. So yeah, let's get on with it. Right, let's see if I can show you in a bit more detail what I'm on about. So just here, there's a spot weld right there, and it looks like it's rusting between the two pieces of metal that are spot welded together. So I'm thinking I'll just cut this out. I might lose that hole as well rather than be able to have water going there, so I'll just cut this out here, replace that. This here, I don't know if it'll come up on camera, there's a dent in there. So my plan is to split it where the dent is, tap it out so it's flush, and then re-weld that. And then I don't know if the camera will pick this up or not. No, too dark. But basically I've got to join this inner sill to the outer, sorry, this inner wheel arch to the outer sill. So I'm going to do that as well. So yeah, let's get on with it. Right, all I've done here is just clean off the red oxide that was under it. It's got a repair here from before, so I'm guessing there was a hole in it before, so I think I'm still going to do the same thing. Cut there to lose that hole, stop any more water going in. Just trim across the top of this crease and back down here, clean up all inside there, make a new piece, weld it in. Okay, so as usual, when you find some rust, there's more than you think. So this piece here that runs along here had rotted out as well, so I've just cut that out as well. But while it's like this, I'm going to clean out this area here, red oxide in there, then repair this, and then the outer layer as well. So yeah, I'm just going to get on with that. Okay, there's the first stage. Inside's painted. This piece has been put back in. Now I'm about to make the outside piece to go fill that hole. Okay, that's that bit sorted. I'm just going to put some epoxy primer on it, put a bit of seam seal around where I've welded it, and then once that's dry, red oxide that area again, and inside here. And then next I'll move on to welding the inside of this in there, and then that bit. Okay, this bit finished. It's all welded, primed, seam sealer, now red oxide. Inside here I've welded it to the outside panel, epoxy primed it, ground down the welds where they showed through the outside panel. Next job, that bit. Right, bought myself a new torch so we can see what's going on. So this bit's done now. It looked a little bit neater before I seam sealed it, but basically we repaired the inner lip, outer lip, seam sealed it, or grind down the welds, painted it, seam sealed it, red oxide, cleaned up inside this bit here. Oh yeah, next I'm going to sort this out. I'm going to end this video here. It isn't a massive update, but it is some progress on it, so I'm pretty happy with that. So yeah, if you've liked this video, give it a like, leave me a comment. If you haven't already, consider subscribing. Until the next one, see you later.